My name is David Bushman. I own Bushman Accounting. I grew up in a small farming town in Utah. As a kid growing up, enjoyed the outdoors. That's a big part of my life, is being able to get out and see the country. Entrepreneurship was always in my blood. My dad had a printing company that he started in the 80s. At its peak, it had about 600 employees and was on the Inc. 500. So I had a great example of how to operate a business, what it took to run a business, how hard it can be to be an entrepreneur, and how to be a small business owner. I received my bachelor's degree from Utah Valley University in accounting, and then later went to the University of Utah to get my master's degree in accounting with an emphasis in taxation. After graduation, it was during the recession, so not a lot of companies were hiring. I ended up working for the state of Utah for about 5 years as a tax auditor. While I worked at the state of Utah, I also saw that there was a lot of value in having a CPA that knew other areas of business as well. So during that time, I got my health and life insurance licenses and several investment licenses. After the state, I worked at another CPA firm so that I could see all the different avenues that a CPA could take. After 2 years at that firm, I realized that I was well trained, I had a lot of qualifications, and I was ready to start my own firm. Sometimes people have, I call it tax paralysis, where when taxes come in, they just freeze up. They aren't sure what to do. And so asking them questions to get information, to help them think about strategies, different ways to be able to save money, making sure their books match their tax return. Going through their books, talking with them about their situation, I feel like gives them better control and understanding of how their business is doing. We are also able to essentially prepare the tax return as we go through their books. Look for other deductions, look for areas that maybe they haven't thought of. In the end, what we really want for the client is for them to know that their tax return is done right and feel confident in the work that we've provided for them and their business.